This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. This week's hot happenings. And check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading local entertainment news, more than 200 pieces of archive material from the late Jamaican actress, broadcaster, and educator Leonie Forbes have been donated to the National Library of Jamaica. The precious material, including manuscripts, trophies, awards, photographs, newspaper articles, and memorabilia, was handed over on June 14 at an NLJ ceremony in Kingston. Ms. Leonie Forbes passed away on October 25, 2022, at the age of 85. For international entertainment, movie mogul Tyler Perry now controls BET and VH1. Perry's attainment of BET marks a major milestone in the entertainment industry as he aims to revitalize the $3 billion network's programming, plus expand its reach. The move also highlights the shifting landscape of media ownership and the growing influence of black voices in the industry. Actor Tyler Perry reportedly gained victory as the multi-billion-dollar bid winner, even with several prominent black media owners, including P. Diddy and 50 Cent, vying for the network too. Still in the international entertainment highlights, American commercial broadcast television network ABC honored the life and impact of Aaliyah in the entertainment fraternity. The tribute was an exclusive one-hour special called Superstar Aaliyah. The special explored her teenage years and marriage to R. Kelly, as well as exclusive interviews with industry insiders. In this week's Entertainment Flashback in 60 Seconds, we continue to reflect on one of the most brilliant and respected reggae heavyweights, Burning Spear. Shortly after naming the duet and the smashing success of Door Peep, the two became three with the addition of Delroy Hines. The trio lineup released a string of singles at Studio One, including the 1972 hit track Joe Frazier, He Prayed. Then their 1974 debut album followed shortly after, titled Studio One Presents Burning Spear. These records were only just a hint of what was to come from Burning Spear, as the group had established their own type of sound, with each member adding something unique. Walk down memory lane with some of the group's early tracks, including Ethiopians' Live It Out, Zion Higher, and We Are Free. They all were successful and timeless. Burning Spear parted ways with Dodd and joined forces with producer Jack Ruby after some time. Their initial session immediately produced results that were evident in the perpetually renowned single Marcus Garvey. Hard to believe this single was just meant to be a sound system play track. Slavery Days followed the historic track, and as expected, a clutch of singles from Burning Spear were released thereafter. They began recording their next project with Ruby, as well as the Spectacular Black Disciples Band, which featured some of the island's greatest musicians. The end result was the Marcus Garvey album, one of the greatest Jamaica's music industry has ever released. After the Marcus Garvey album took the world by storm, the trio was signed to the Island record label that later remixed the hit record for white consumption. The group was furious by this, and it pushed Mr. Rodney to set up his own label named Spear. This way, he was certain he maintained control of his work in the future. And that's where we pause for the flashback this week. Listen in next Friday, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, tonight, Friday, June 23 at 7 p.m., Make It Rockers International Records as they present Augustus Pablo Tribute 2023. The 50th anniversary will be at Reggae Garden in Kingston. Craig the Young Lion Ross will be at Friday Lime on the Lawn tonight, 6 p.m. to midnight. Then, on Saturday, let loose and rave at the EDM Lime with the Young Lion Craig Ross. It's all happening at the AC Pool Lawn at the AC Hotel in Kingston. This evening, start your weekend right at Triple T's Bar and Lounge 1 Annet Crescent, Kingston. Special music by DJ Edson. Go party and drink with a smile. And remember to check out Bear Mug Fridays at East Japanese, 30 Dominica Drive. Head out to Mass Camp tomorrow, Saturday, June 24 for Mellow Vibes, the summertime edition. Music by DJ Marvin, DJ Smurf, and Bad Gal Marie. Go check out Afrobeat heavyweight Burna Boy's It's Plenty. This tune is not new, but it gives awesome positive vibes about living and enjoying the life you have. All the best and keep safe. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings Williams. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Catch us again next Friday for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops inside Entertainment 97.